Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix UBOX camera keeps going offline, network, power supply, app and firmware troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your router is working properly and move the camera closer to the router to improve signal strength. Now restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Then open the UBOX app and check whether the camera reconnects. Fix 2. Check the power supply. Ensure the power adapter is firmly connected and inspect the USB cable for damage or loose connection. Now try a different power outlet and if available, test with another compatible power adapter. Fix 3. Remove and add the camera again. Open the UBOX app and delete the offline camera from your device list. Then reset the camera and add the camera again as a new device. Fix 4. Factory reset the camera. Locate the reset button on the camera and press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now wait for the camera to restart, then set up the camera again through the UBOX app. Fix 5. Update the camera firmware. Open the UBOX app and go to device settings. From there, select firmware update and install any available updates. Then restart the camera after the update completes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.